Kaugnay naman sa nangyaring pagbaklas at pagpunit ng mga campaign posters, sinabi ni Maguindanao del Norte Provincial Election Supervisor Attorney Nabil Mutya na isa itong election offense. May panuntunan at batas anya hinggil dito, maging sa mga campaign posters na nakalagay sa hindi common poster area at mga campaign posters na hindi tama ang sukat. Narito ang pahayag ng opisyal.
Actually, it is an election offense, to clarify, no? It is an election offense to deface or tear or tanggalin yung mga lawful election propaganda ng mga kandidato. So, what will happen is pag mayroong nahuli or mayroong nag-complain, the Commission on Election will definitely have to act on it or to act on the complaint, no? Kasi election offense po yan. Pangalawa, if ever naman na yung particular election propaganda is allegedly hindi siya nasa tamang lugar, dun siya sa mga nakapwesto or nadikit sa mga lugar or na hindi naman talaga pwede magdikit or yung size niya is hindi siya doon sa hindi nasunod yung tamang sukat ng mga ating mga election propaganda, no, or paraphernalias, ang mangyayari is they have to file a complaint before or inform the election officers para yung election officer will be the one to act on the illegal election propaganda. For example, you have to notify the party or kung kanino man yung election propaganda na sila mismo magtanggal or magbaklas. Otherwise, it is the commission who will do the taking down of the election propaganda. May election offense po yan. That is an election offense actually under the Omnibus Election Code. Yes, may kulong and of course magkakaroon ng indemnities din or yung tinatawag natin disqualification or ano yun, yung tinatawag natin na criminal case